Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I am going to make mutton rara in my Royal Kitchen. This is one of my favorite recipes. I am going to share this recipe with you with all the tips and techniques. To make this recipe I have taken 1/4 kg of mutton with bones and 1/4 kg of mutton without bones. Before going to proceed, I want to make a request. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel so that you can get the notifications of my coming recipes. I am profusely thankful to all my viewers for your constant support and encouragement. I need your constant support to the development of my channel. Please do support my channel. Now let's get started. Take 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste in a mincer grinder. To this add 8 broken green chillies. Add 1 cup of coriander leaves. Coarsely grind all of them. This is our coarsely grounded chilli ginger garlic paste. I have taken half of it aside and kept half of it in the jar itself. Now to this add the boneless mutton and mince it well. Make sure that our keema should be little chunky. Otherwise it may be mashed into paste while cooking. See, I have grinded the keema a little chunky. Transfer this keema to the mutton bowl. To this add half a tablespoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. To this add 3/4 cup of curd. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix all of them well. Keep it in a refrigerator for about 5 to 6 hours, or you have more time, keep it for overnight for best results. Let us take a pan. To this add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add 1 cinnamon stick, 1 large cardamom, 2 small cardamoms, 4 cloves, 2 bay leaves. Let them pop up. Add 1 more tablespoon of ghee. To this add 1½ cup of chopped onions. Fry all of them into golden brown in color in a high flame. Once in a while we have to stir them. This process of frying is very important to this recipe. Now at this stage add ginger garlic, coriander and green chilli paste. 2 tablespoons of it I have added. Fry all of them until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes in a medium high flame. Once in a while we have to scrape the bottom. We have to fry for 3 to 4 minutes by scraping the bottom of the pan. To this add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now very good smell of the ghee, garlic, roasted garlic and other spices is coming out of the masalas. To this add 2 medium sized chopped tomatoes. Mix all of them well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes in a low flame by closing the lid of the pan. Occasionally we have to mix all of them so that they may not stick to the bottom of the pan. After the tomatoes becomes mushy, add 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I have added 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of normal red chilli powder, spicy red chilli powder. Keep the flame in low and fry for 1 minute. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Add 1 large cup of water. Keep the flame in high and cook for some time, that is 5 to 6 minutes, by closing the lid of the pan until all the oil gets separated from the gravy. Let us check. The oil is separated from the masalas. Now we have to mix it occasionally and cook for some more time until all the gravy becomes into a mushy one. Now to this masala add the mutton and keema mixture, marinated mixture. I have rinsed the mutton bowl and adding 1 cup of water to this mutton. Now we have to mix everything into a homogeneous mixture. Now close the lid of the pressure cooker and cook for 10 whistles in a high flame. After 10 whistles, let us check the mutton whether it is cooked well or not. See, our mutton is very well cooked. See, we can tear it easily like this. Now we have to make the gravy somewhat thick. Now we have to cook it in a high flame until all the oil separates and our gravy becomes thick. Now to this add 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger pieces, 4 split green chilies. To this I am adding 2 teaspoons of chia seeds for the good health benefits. Chia seeds contains more nutrient values. At the end of the recipe, I am adding 1 more teaspoonful of salt or as per your taste. Now I am cooking the mutton for 5 more whistles in a high flame. I have cooked it for 3 whistles only. Now to this add 1 teaspoonful of kasur methi powder, 1 teaspoon of Miracle Garam Masala made by myself. You will get to know the recipe of Miracle Garam Masala in my Royal Kitchen channel when you open the Miracle Garam Masala recipe. See, now our mutton rara is ready to plate. Mutton rara is a mixture of mutton and keema. It is a famous North Indian recipe and it is made in the restaurants of Punjab, Delhi, all over North India. To this add half a cup of freshly chopped coriander leaves, mix all of them well. Now let us plate the mutton rara into a serving plate. See, all our mutton pieces and the keema are very well cooked, nicely cooked. I hope all of you would like my recipe. If you are really liked my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Now garnish this with some green chilies, grated garlic, ginger garlic and some coriander leaves. I will be back to you with one more new recipe. Till then, take care. Thank you. You can eat this recipe, this mutton rara, along with rotis, jawar rotis, naan, butter naan and along with biryani rice or plain rice also.